Everyone wants that trending long hairstyle you see on TikTok, the kind of hair that makes people double take when you walk into the room. But here's the reality. Most guys will never get it, not because of genetics, but because they're destroying their hair every single day without even realizing it. Think about it. You know that one guy in your class, your gym, or your friend group with long, shiny hair? The guy everyone notices without him even trying. That could be you, but only if you follow the right steps. Today, I'll show you the 5 hair care steps every man needs. Do these, and your hair won't just look good, it'll become one of your strongest assets. Let's go. Step 1. Cleansing. Think of your scalp like the foundation of your house. If the foundation is weak and dirty, the whole thing collapses. That's your scalp and hair. Cleansing is the base of everything. The mistake most guys make? Shampooing every single day. That strips away natural oils your hair needs to stay strong. End result? Dry, flaky scalp, weak strands, and hair that looks dead. The fix. Wash your hair only 2 to 3 times a week. Use a sulfate-free shampoo that matches your hair type. Oily, dry, curly, whatever. On other days, just rinse with water. Keep your scalp clean but not stripped. A clean, balanced scalp equals thicker, healthier hair growth. Step 2. Conditioning. Conditioner is where most guys fall off. They think it's girly. Wrong. Conditioner is what separates dry, frizzy, lifeless hair from smooth, shiny, attractive hair. Skipping it or using a cheap 2-in-1 is a rookie mistake. That's like washing your face but never moisturizing. It just doesn't work. The fix. After shampooing, use conditioner from mid-length down to the ends, never on the scalp. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse with cool water. That locks in moisture, shine, and softness. Women notice when a guy's hair looks touchable. Don't skip this. Step 3. Drying. How you dry your hair can make or break your look, literally. Most guys rub their hair like crazy with a towel or nuke it with a hot blow dryer. That destroys your hair cuticle and makes it weak and frizzy. The fix. Pat dry with a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt. If you blow dry, use medium or cool heat, and always apply a heat protectant. Proper drying gives your hair that smooth, healthy flow, instead of looking fried and damaged. Step 4. Nourishment. This is the secret step most guys never do. Think of it like giving your hair the fuel it needs. Just like you can't grow muscle without protein, you can't grow good hair without nutrients. Dry, weak hair happens when you never feed it. That's why oils and leave-ins exist. The fix. Use natural oils like argan, coconut, or jojoba once or twice a week, just a few drops massaged into your hair. Add a lightweight leave-in conditioner or serum after drying for shine and protection. This is how you level up from normal hair to model tier hair. Step 5. Lifestyle. Here's the truth. No product will save your hair if your lifestyle sucks. If you're eating junk, sleeping 4 hours, and stressing 24/7, your hair will pay the price. Bad habits equals dull, thin, lifeless hair. Good habits equals thick, strong, attractive hair. Simple as that. The fix. Eat protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, chicken, nuts. Drink plenty of water. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Hit the gym. Manage stress. Healthy body equals healthy hair. And trust me, women notice the difference. That's it. 5 steps that separate average guys from the ones who actually look good with long, flowing, healthy hair. Remember, cleanse properly, condition, dry the right way, nourish your hair, and fix your lifestyle. Do these consistently, and in just months, your hair will be stronger, shinier, and more attractive. And yes, you'll finally pull off those trending hairstyles instead of just wishing. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check the description for my recommended hair products.